Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best dryer vent cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools you can have in your home maintenance arsenal, especially if you want to prevent potential fire hazards and ensure your dryer is running efficiently, saving you money on energy bills and extending the lifespan of your appliance. This innovative air nozzle attachment is designed to connect to your existing air compressor, allowing you to blast away lint and debris that accumulates deep within your dryer's vent system, a place that standard vacuum attachments simply can't reach, thereby improving airflow and reducing drying time significantly. Number 5. Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit, your essential tool for maintaining your home. This kit is designed to help you remove built-up lint, ensuring your dryer operates efficiently and safely. The flexible vacuum hose attachment is perfect for reaching those difficult spots behind appliances. It's designed to get deep into your dryer vent for a thorough clean. Our dryer vent hose adapter is designed to work with most standard vacuum cleaners. Assembly and use are straightforward, making maintenance a breeze. Please note it is not compatible with Dyson or cordless vacuums. This kit includes an extra-long flexible lint brush, ideal for dislodging lint from your dryer's interior and even cleaning refrigerator coils. Use the brush first to loosen debris, then follow up with the vacuum attachment for complete removal. Regular cleaning of your dryer vent is crucial for preventing potential fires and ensuring optimal appliance performance. Make it a habit to clean the lint trap after every use in your vents regularly. This kit is a must-have for any home, providing an easy and effective solution for dryer maintenance. Keep your appliances running smoothly and safely with this versatile tool. What we like. This kit offers a flexible vacuum hose attachment perfect for reaching deep into dryer vents and behind appliances. If you are looking for a tool that combines vacuum suction with a flexible brush to tackle hard-to-reach lint, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want to maximize their vacuum's cleaning power for dryer vents. What people say. The air nozzle is designed to connect to an air compressor and blow air through the dryer vent. It effectively removes lint and debris from the dryer vent, improving airflow and drying efficiency. The nozzle is made of durable plastic and is easy to attach and use with standard air compressors. Number 4. Holikme 30 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Holikme 30 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed for effective cleaning of your dryer vents and chimneys. It includes everything you need for a thorough job. Our kit features flexible rods that extend up to an impressive 30 feet, allowing you to reach deep into your vents. The high-quality synthetic brush heads ensure efficient lint removal. You can use this tool with or without a power drill for professional results. Simple instructions make it easy for anyone to achieve a clean vent. Regular cleaning with this tool improves your dryer's working performance. By removing built-up lint and dust from the vent, duct, and exhaust port, you ensure optimal airflow. Skip costly service calls and maintain your dryer effortlessly. Clean your vent yourself in minutes and keep everything running smoothly all year round. Lint buildup is a leading cause of clothes dryer fires. Periodically removing this buildup is the safest way to prevent potential fire risks and ensure your home's safety. What we like. With an impressive 30-foot reach and the option to use with a power drill, this kit is designed for extensive cleaning tasks. If you have long dryer vents or need to clean out a fireplace chimney, this offers the length and power you need. It's perfect for homeowners who want a robust solution for deep and extended cleaning. What people say. The air nozzle is designed to fit standard leaf blowers and vacuums, making it a versatile tool for cleaning dryer vents. It effectively removes lint and debris from dryer vents, improving airflow and reducing drying times. The durable construction ensures long-lasting use, even with frequent cleaning. Number 3. Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Tired of lint buildup? This tool helps remove years of debris from your dryer vent. Keep your appliance running safely and efficiently. Cleaning those hard-to-reach places is now simple. It's perfect for getting behind appliances and into tight spots. This attachment fits most vacuum cleaners. Assembly is straightforward, just follow the included instructions. Regularly clean your dryer vent to prevent dangerous lint fires. This also helps you save on professional cleaning costs. The package includes everything you need, the vacuum attachment and hose. It's a complete solution for a cleaner home. What we like. This option focuses on a dedicated vacuum attachment for dryer lint removal and general duct cleaning. If your primary concern is using vacuum power to suck out lint from your dryer vent and other tight spaces, this is the tool for you. It's a straightforward solution for efficient lint extraction. What people say. The air nozzle is a great addition to my shop vac. It really helps to blow out the dryer vent. This product is very effective at cleaning out the lint from the dryer vent. The nozzle is well made and durable, and it fits perfectly on my shop vac. Number 2. Sealegend 58 Pieces Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Tired of lint buildup? This professional cleaning tool set is designed to help you deep clean your dryer's vents effectively. With flexible nylon rods that connect and extend up to 35 feet, you can reach deep into your dryer vents. Use it with your drill for efficient rotary cleaning. This attachment easily connects to most vacuum cleaners, allowing you to thoroughly remove years of accumulated lint from your dryer. Use the extra-long brush to clean trapped lint and dust from dryer gaps, exhaust ports, and even coils behind your refrigerator. Why pay professionals when you can achieve a deep clean yourself? This kit helps you save money by allowing you to clean your dryer ducts at home. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, from brushes and adapters to cleaning bags and gloves, for a complete dryer vent cleaning experience. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one cleaning solution, boasting 58 pieces and a 35-foot reach. If you want a comprehensive kit that includes everything from brushes and adapters to specialized tools for every lint-related problem, this is it. It's perfect for those who prefer to have every possible cleaning accessory at their fingertips. What people say. This product is a game-changer for cleaning dryer vents. It attaches easily to my shop vac and the air nozzle blows lint out effectively. I was amazed at how much lint this removed from my dryer vent. The flexible hose and nozzle design allowed me to reach deep into the vent. The airflow from this nozzle is powerful and really gets the job done. It's a simple yet effective tool for dryer maintenance. Number 1. Holikme 50 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Get everything you need for a thorough dryer duct cleaning in one convenient package. This comprehensive kit includes all the tools necessary to get the job done right out of the box. Restore your dryer's efficiency by removing built-up lint and pet hair. This cleaner helps lift stubborn debris, supporting more efficient operation and potentially shortening drying times for faster laundry days. Achieve a deep clean with its user-friendly design. The easy screw handle and drill connector attach quickly to standard drills, allowing its rotating motion to reach deep into ducts and remove hidden lint. Tackle stubborn lint buildup that accumulates over time. Regular use of this tool helps clear debris from vent walls, maintaining a tidier laundry space for any occasion. Save money by performing your own duct cleaning. This kit empowers you to handle the task yourself, keeping your dryer running smoothly and reducing long-term costs. What we like. Offering an exceptional 50-foot extension, this kit is built for the most demanding cleaning jobs, including large fireplaces and extensive dryer vent systems. If you have very long or complex vent runs and need maximum reach and durability, this is the superior choice. It's designed for users who prioritize length and heavy-duty performance. What people say. The air nozzle is designed to effectively clean dryer vents. It works by using air pressure to blow out lint and debris from the vent. The product features a durable construction for long-lasting use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.